Here at Western Star, we give a damn. We care about everything from the time you walk in that door to the time you leave.
Our job is primarily to support our customers however we can and the product that we sell.
You know, we have a great facility and we can accommodate a wide breadth of vocations.
We offer a wide range of services such as regular maintenance items. We also offer your standard general mechanical repairs, electrical repairs, diagnostics for things like check engine lights, ABS lights. We do offer bodywork as well, so if we need bodywork repairs as well as paint, we do have a department for that.
It's a company where we really listen to the customer.
We want to acknowledge them as if they're family. We know them by first name.
And at the end of the day, we give a damn about keeping our customers on the road.